All right, guys. Good day, everyone. Hope everyone okay. You guys must immediately hit the like button right now. Right now. Hit the like button. Let's get started. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Hit the like button so we can get started. What's happening? What's happening? Hit the like button. All right. So this is City and Guilds. I will be doing more. Hopefully, you guys encourage me to do more. I have more to do. Does make sense. I'm doing videos. It's being liked and all that something. Sometimes that's kind of drama. Alright, so just hit the like button to encourage me. Alright, so it's a report say the average salary in Jamaica is $22,760. What is the number in words? So we are supposed to find out what is 22,760. So A says 220 now. 22,760. Alright, so that will give us B. 22,760, just as we said up here. So, all right, so number one will be B. All right, number two says what is 630,240 in figures? So again, 630,000, yeah, 240. So that would give us A. It says, in which of these numbers does 7 have the value of 7,000? Hold on there, guys, hold on. Spider! Alright, they say, in which one of these does 7 have a value of 7,000? Notice the TH point, right? So we don't start at ones, we start at tens, then thousand, right? So it's going to be the second. So that would be C, right? Remember, we don't have one, we have tenth. So this is 9/10, and this is 1,000, right? Let's move on to number 4. It says a recipe requires half pound of flour. How many ounces of flour is this? Now 16 ounces make 1 pound. So all you guys actually give us it right here too. So half of that would be 8. So now we're not doing a maths in our one. What's a go on? What the writing shows? You understand? Check out this one. A man put 3 items in a box to post to his brother. The items weigh 1.2 kilogram, 600 gram, and 850 gram. What is the total weight of the 3 items? All right. How do we want to approach this? We can approach it 2 ways. We can convert all of it to grams and then back to kilogram. I think I'm gonna do that. Right. So 1.2 gram would be just multiply by 1,000. So that would give us 1,200 gram, 600, and then 850. So we add this. This is not necessarily the answer yet, because if you notice, they gave us the unit in kilogram. So it would be 0, 5, 8 and 2, 10, and 1, 6. Carry the 1. So that's 2,650 grams. But we know that 1,000 grams make 1 kilogram. So we can just divide by 1,000. Go the decimal point. 3 places to order. 1, 2, 3. So that's 2.65 kilograms. Alright, now we start the maths. So number 5 would be 2.65 kilograms. Alright, so we're on to the next page. It says a space in a kitchen is 2 meters wide. A kitchen fitter has 500 millimeter wide units. Okay, so they gave us 2 different units. So it's 2 meters And then now let's say a kitchen fitter. I'm not sure what that is. I think probably carpet is 500 millimeter. So you're gonna ask yourself now, do you want to convert the meters to millimeters, or you want to convert the millimeters to meters? What I would do is to convert the 2 meters to millimeters. Right? So we know that, let's go back from what we know. We know that 1 meter contains 100 centimeter, right? Should I write this down? Right. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? And we know that it takes 10 millimeter to equal to 1 centimeter, right? So it will be, to converting this to be 10 times this. So in 1 meter is 1,000 millimeter, right? That's 1,000 millimeter. Guys, you know, have to do this now. We're going to do this with a teacher. So it would be 200, 2,000. For this, it would be 2 times 1,000. So it's 2 times 1,000, which gives us 2,000. So it's 2,000 millimeter. It will be 2,000 divided by 500. So that will be 4. So number 6 would be A. Alright. On to number 7. Which of the following metric unit is nearest to 5 inches? Alright. So we get 2 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 12.5 centimeter. What we have to remember, guys, is that, whoa, my record. Yeah, man, when me done? My record, so, right? Alright, cool. Alright, so we know that 1 inch is supposed to be 2.5 centimeter. So all we have to do, multiply 5 times 2.5. It can only be 1, right? 2, 5 are 10 plus that. Yes, it have to be D. Guys, you know, have to know them something here. Alright. Alright, let's look at this one now, just as what come in the PEP questions. A cook takes 20 minutes to mix and knead some bread dough. It is left to rise for 1 hour and minutes. It is then put in the oven for 35 minutes. How long did it take to make the bread in total? Typical PEP mental ability question. Alright, and that is why my students are doing this. Alright, guys, so it takes 20 minutes. So that's the first thing. 20 minutes. And then we take another 50. So we're just adding up the minutes, and then we see how many minutes and we convert it back to hour. That's it. Very simple. Don't complicate it, alright? 5 plus that 5. 3 and 5, 8. And 2, 10. So basically, this is 105 minutes. But they gave us the answer in hours. So you're going to ask yourself, how many hours are in 105 minutes? Now we know that 60 minutes make 1 hour. So if you take out 60 from this, that's going for 45, right? You know that 60 minutes is a hour. So let's just take out 1 hour first. I'll see how much left. So it's 1 hour plus the 45 minutes. I did this on my channel time. You can check that out too. Let's move on to number 9. The temperature in Jamaica in January is close to what? How am I supposed to know that? January. Where is that the odd one? I would say 25. But guys, just what you think on that, alright? January not really cold at Jamaica. And you know, add either. Alright, they say add 57,000 and 38 and 5,869. Alright, so let's do that. So it's 57,000. Remember, put each unit under the correct unit. Alright, they can start from here. Start with the ones, start with the tens, put your 100, and then your 1,000. Don't want to confuse them. Right? Numbers under numbers. 9 and 8, 17, 7 carry 1. That's all right, right? 6 and 3, 4 plus 6, 10, carry 1. 8 and 1, 9. It can only be this, but let us continue just to see, because it is the only one that has 9 in the 100 space. So 5 and 8, 12, 2, carry 1, and then this gives us 62,907. So we have D for our answer. Alright. This one says take 11,245 from 40,000 to 36. So let's go. It's a takeaway. So let us subtract. Remember, same rule applies. Units under ones, other ones, and so forth. You start from the corner to be sure. 5, 4, 2, 1, 1. Right? So 5 from 6, that leave 1. 4 from 3, you can't. So listen, alright, read the audio for what? 4 from 13, that's what, 9. Alright, so 2 from 1, you can't. 0 and none filling you. So you borrow 3, right? 9. Yeah. So that's 2 from 11. 9. 1 from 9. Leave 8. And 1 from 3. Leave 2. So that should be 28,990. Alright, so guys, just in case, you can add it up. Just add this to this and see if I get this. If I get this, check it over. Alright, let's move on to number 12. I don't want to go the thing. Alright, so he said, what is 4,209 multiplied by 48? So let's split it over. So we're going to multiply. I'm going to color code this one, alright? Alright, so we're going to start with the ones, it's 8 ones, right? So 8, 9, 72, 7, carry 2. 8 times 0 is 0, plus 7 is 7. 8 to 16. 16 is right, 6 and 1, so carry 1. 8 4 is 32 and 1, 33. Alright, I think I'm gonna color code this. I'm gonna use the next color. Alright, so we know multiplying by 40 and not 4. So what we do, put a 0 to hold the space to show them, say, yo, this may have to multiply by. Alright, so 4 9s, 36, so that's 3, carry 6, 4 0 0 plus 3, that's 3, 4 2s, 8, and 4 4, 16. Notice I don't use the numbers from the block one, right? And then now we can add. So that gives us 2, 6 and 7, 13, 3 carry the 1. That gives us 6 and 4, 10, carry the 1. That's a 4, so that's a 12, so that's 2, carry 1. Don't see the answer. 6 and 3, 9 and 1, 10, so that's 0, carry 1. So that's 2, 132, which is all right. So now they say what is 1,000? Let's write it up. Change it up to block. So it just give us the number. So let's do that. 1, 5. I'm gonna be dividing by 6. Now 16 to 1 you can't, 16 to 11 you can't, 60 into 115, that's 2 times. No, 1 time. Alright, and then now we say 1 times 60 is 60. So we're gonna subtract 60 from 100 out 50, 0 from 5, that leaves 5, 6 from 11, 6 from 11 leaves 5. So we have 55. Alright. Carry on with 2. Alright, and that would give us, 9 times. And then now we multiply, so decimal point is going to go right here. Right? So 19, alright, so 6 times 9, that's 54. Just limited by 0, 1, so that's 10, right? Alright, so our next 0 is going to be here, so carry down the 0. Put the door right here. Oh yeah, so 6, 9, 54. Right, alright guys, we think something wrong. Let's start doing something alright. Just feel wrong. Alright, so we have 60, 1, 1, 5. Decimal point is gonna be right here. Alright, 16 to this you can't take out. So 16 to this, 1. 1 times that, 60. It's gonna be 0 from that, 5, 6 from 11, that will be 5. Yeah. Carry down 0. 16 to this, 6, 9, 54, so that's 540. That's 90. 6, 9, 54, so that's 6, 9, 0, 0, 9, 6, 54. That's 1, and that's 0. The decimal point is already there. Carry down 0. 16 to this one time. So this will be 60. That's 90.1. Attention can divide still 61, 20. Yeah. Oh, shoot. You know, so I'm zero a 2 for there, someone. Because me, I say, shoot, this is not 0. That's where the error comes. Oh, it's supposed to be 0. Well, so I must can be stressed that times. Alright, guys, I made an error. Carry on the 2 instead of the 0. Because I was saying this, so right. Alright, so I carried on 0 instead of 2. It should be 2. So 0 from that will be 2, so that's 120. And then I carry on the next 0. Exactly 2. Alright, so that's 19.2. And guys, please don't make that error in exam. Alright. Alright, a shopkeeper buys 120 packs of bathroom tissue. Each pack contains 24 rolls. How many rolls of bathroom tissue are there in total? So you buy a 120 pack. But you know, one pack 24. So you have to multiply, right? As each pack contains 24. So let's multiply that by 24 now. So 400, 428, 414. The 0 can multiply by 20 now. 2 times 0, 0, 2 2 is 4, and 2 1 is 2. Now we add that 0, 8, 8, and carry on. So that will be B. Alright, on to another one. So it says, what is 910 divided by 28? Right? We just make that one and no error now. No arrow. Like this. Right. So it's 910. Decimal point is here. It's gonna fall here. 28 into 9 and 28 into 90. That should go 3 times. This over over here, so you can just know 3 right here. But go right here, right? So 3 8 24. So that's 2 carry the 4. 3 times 2 6, and that's 84. Subtract now. 8 from 4 you can't. So you borrow 1, and this the 8. The 1 here, so that's the 7. Right? Carry down the 0. So this will give us 2 now. And that will be 56. 2 times 28. Subtract 6 from 4 you can't. That's 6. That's the 4. That's 140. Right? Carry down a 0. I get 140. So how many 28s you can get out of 140? So 28 and 28 are 56. Right. If we split this not 2, we get 40. So that will be 10. So I have 5 examples. So that's 32.5. Remember, guys, if you divide this by 2, you get 14, right? And 14 divided by 140, that's 10. So this is twice, it's 25. So I can be a bit stressed that time. Alright, a school buys 15 packs of blue pens with 50 pens in each pack and 144. So we have one white pens and 144 red pens. Alright, a school buys 15 packs of blue pen with 50 pens in each. Alright, couple just kind of break down what I say. A school buys 15 packs of blue pens with 50 pens in each pack and 144 red pens. How many pens are there in total? I don't know what I'm trying to say. I guess no one say you don't have this 144 already, I just buy this one. So to mix that. I already have this set of that, right? So 500 55 25 that's 0 100 155 that's 0 5 7. So basically get 70 blue, 750 blue, and we already have 144 red. Now is enough to put the question in more clearer, man. Students can understand them something for them. So 4 plus 5 9, and that either one. So let's see what's happening. What's happening? A man sees an apartment advertised for 420 a month. His friend will pay half of his cost. How much will his friend pay in total for 6 months? So two you can look at it. A man sees an apartment advertised for 420 a month. His friend will pay half of his cost. How much will his friend? So basically, two of them will pay half. So basically, it will pay 120 a month. Because half of 420, no, half of 420 not that far. 2 into 4 are 2. And then 1. So 110. And then it's a 110 times 6. So 6. Remember, so it's still not the stay over. Alright. So it was actually 210, guys. This one can happen. I get complacent in math. Alright, so it's supposed to be 210. That's what they paid for 1 month. But they paid for 6, so it's a 600, 616, 62 is 12. So each person will pay 1,000 that they pay in half. Alright. Let's move on. What is 6.165 meter plus 2.75 meter? Again, just remember decimal point on a decimal point. I'm going to definitely rewrite it. So it's 6.165 plus 2.75. Can I just put a 0 for all this space? The most important thing, decimal point on a decimal point. Alright. Units under units, 5 and 6, 11. 1 carry 1. That gives us 8 and 1. 9. This one is 8.915. And that is indeed T. Alright, gasoline, expensive gasoline. Oh my god. Alright, so gasoline costs 0.9. I would cost 97 cents a liter. What is the cost for 40 liters? Alright, so all we have to do is multiply 97 times 40. Notice we're not using a decimal, guys. We just use the raw natural number, right? And then now we put the 2 decimal points at the end. So 0 to all the space. 4 7s 28. 2 carry 8. 4 9s 36 and 2 38. Now we add 2 decimal pieces at the point. That's 2 numbers came after the decimal point. So we just do same. So that's 38.8. So don't complicate these. It can be very simple. Alright, so it says what is 71.91 divided by 17? I notice a lot of division and addition, multiplication on this. Alright, so we can go to 17 and then we have 71. I think we don't have to divide this out right through, right? So we know it's 4 based off of all our numbers, right? So we don't have to go through here. And then now we say 4 times 17. That's trick now. 4 7s 28. 2 carry 8. Decimal point of 4, right? Right? So we commit it right away. Alright, so 4 7s 28, 4 1s 4, and that's 6. That's 68. We subtract 71. 68 from 71, that should leave 3. 8 from 11. Yeah, that leave 3. Carry down the 9. So that's 39. So that would be 2. So we can stop now. Once we get the 2 right here, you know, so we that 2 times that 34. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna continue. Subtract that leave 5. Carry down the 1. 17 into that goes exactly 3 times. How we done this one? It says you guys want me to continue. So that would be 4.23. Alright. 8 pounds of baking powder costs $12.64. What is the cost per pound? Notice it's 8 pounds. So we have to divide. Jaja, what if I divide? As well as the exams. Alright, so 8 into 12, that's 1. Subtract. I get 4. Carry down the 6. 6 8 48. So that's 5 times. Right? So 5 8 or 40. So let me see the answer. $1.50. 5 8 40. I'm just gonna continue doing 5 8 40. Subtract to get 6. Carry down the 4. Get 64. 8 into that, right? A decimal point. Right. So that's $1.08. Alright guys, this one is a bit tricky. It's a solve 52.7 order of operation. So we get that 52.7 divided by 10 times 100. So remember, order of operations state that we must do division first from left to right. So we could divide now. So basically, the will come, so boom. Divide to get 5.27. And then times 100. So we're going to move 2 places to the right now, which is 1. So this is D. 23. Customer buys 6 kilogram of rice at $1.82 kilogram and a loaf of bread at 2.28 at $2.28. What is the total cost? So what we need to do, we have to find the total cost for the rice, which is $1.82 times 6, because of 6 pound by 6 kilogram. And remember, 1 kilogram at 2.2 pound. Alright, 6 2 is 12, that's 2, carry 1. 6 8 48 plus 1, 49. 6 1 6 and that 10. So it's gonna cost $10.92, right? It costs $10.92 for this alone. And then now we're gonna add the bread to that. So remember, decimal point, okay, it's a decimal point on a decimal point, so that's 92. It's 2.28. Alright, so we add 8 and 2, 10, 0 carry 1, 9 and 1, 10, and that 2. This was a 0. Okay. I know one thing, so that's one. So we have $13 and 20 cents. So this would be B, right? Let's move on to 24. What is 1/3 of 4,800? 1/3 is the same as divided by 3. So it's 1/3 of 48 and 60. So it would be this. But let's work it out for you guys. 3 to 4, 1. And then a 1 here, so I change to that 6. And then 0. We're not gonna spend it for a long time for that. Alright, which of these two fractions have the same value? Alright, is it 1/10? So same thing as 1/2. So we know, so if we break down this to its lowest term, divide by 10. So it's 1 and 1/10 and 10/10. Alright, it says solve y and 3/4. That's 78 plus 3/4. Alright, so guess what we're gonna do? We're just gonna add 3/4. It's gonna leave the one whole number here, so plus these, alright, so it's 3/4 plus 78 plus 3/4 again. Alright. LCM of 8 going to 8 goes 2 times. 3 to 6. Into that 1. That gives us 7. They have to give us the same 6, as I said, 6 and 6, 12, and that 19/8. Right? So what we're gonna do now is convert this to improper additives. Right? So 8 into that 1 time, and then you have 16, that leaves 3/8. And if you write something like that, okay. Okay, 6 or 7. So the 2 time 1, 8 to 16. Yeah. 8 to 16, remain at 3. So 1 plus 2, this plus the 1 will give us 3 and 3. So 1 to 26. What is 5/6 minus a half? So all we have to do is just this 5/6 minus a half. Find the lowest number, that 6 and 2 can go down to 6. 6 into 6, 1. So we multiply, we get 5, right? And that would be 3. So that's 5 minus 3, that's 2/6. So they do have 2/6, so we can break it down. Divide by 2, so that's 1. So that's it. Alright, to say what is the value of 9/10 minus 40 plus a half? Alright guys, remember to hit the like button, subscribe if you have not. Now these are addition and subtraction, right? So it doesn't matter, the order doesn't matter. What we can do is just find one LCM per order. So I encourage my students, alright? 10 into 10, that's 1. Multiply 1 by 1, so we get 9. Minus 5 into that goes 2 times. Multiply by 2. So 4 2 is 8. And then 2 into 10, that's 5. Multiply 1 by 5. That's 5. So we have a plus 5. both of these are positive, the 5 and the 9, so we can add them. And we get 14 minus 8, that's 6 over 10. We don't say 6 over 10, right? So we can reduce it, divide both of them by 2, and we get 3 over 5. So that's 3. So the order doesn't matter with addition and subtraction. Alright. There are 20 people on a bus. 6 are men and the rest are women. What percent of the there are 20 people on a bus. 6 are men and the rest are women. Most definitely. It's only man and woman, no? Foolishness, you know. Alright. What percentage of the people are men? So all we have to do is say 6 out of 10. No, 20 times percent mean 100. So this times. Right? Now we this. Into this goes 1 time. Into this goes 5. So 5 times that 30%. And it makes sense, right? By the 10%, that is 60%. So since it's 20, 30%. A company has 50 employees. 20 of them work in the office. What percentage of the employee work in the office? So again, it's 20 out of 50 working in the office. I want to say what's this there? Yes. Listen to this 1, listen to 100, 2 times 20 is 40%. 40% work in the office. Alright. Number 31. What is 50% of 150 kilogram? No, 50% now. Okay, I'll just leave it right. 50 over 100 times 150. 0 gone. Oh no, no. This gone. This gone. And then this gone. And this gone. So 5 times 15. That's 75. Right. Let's move on to 32. A shop officer. A shop offers a discount of 10% on all items for 1 day only. An item has an original tag of $80. How much will be the discount? So all we have to do is find 10% of 80. 10% is the same as dividing by 10. Don't? So that will be $8. But for those who can't answer that, I'm gonna work it out. For those who can't see it, I'm gonna work it out. So it's 10% of 80. So this guy. So this goes at $8. So they will pay $72. But they didn't ask us for that, right? I didn't put the $70. Chick people. Nah, my students are my subscribers, you know. Which of the following is the smallest value? It's definitely 2%. But I'm not. No. Two out of 5 as a guys. So 2%. 2% is same thing as 1. Oh yeah, 2%. Alright. 0.2 bigger. 0.2 is actually 20%. Just don't look at it and just, melt it first. What is 3/5 as a decimal fraction? Right? So 3/5. So what we do? We're going to be dividing 3 by 5. Right? So 5. For my students is 5 into 3 upon 0. 5 into 30. 6, 5, 30. Just kind of ignore the decimal point right now. So that's 0.6. What is 7/10 as a decimal fraction? And that 7/10, we just did one like that. We say we move the decimal point to place. So let's put 0. The decimal point is there. 1, 2. So that's 8. That was very similar, so we don't need to go over that. Alright. Let's move on to 36. A movie at 68,346 views. Round this number to the nearest 100. 100. Notice he said 100. Alright, so it's either we're going to say 300 or 400. One out of the two. But 100 it's saying. Alright, never say tens or whatever. 100. So 346. Definitely 300. As you have to go 50 or over to closer to 400. So that's it. Very nice question, please. A saver has $2,369.73 to the bank. Round this amount to the nearest whole number. Whole number. Alright. So 236 is close to 70. It's over 5, right? 73 cents. So it's C. Very nice question, that one also. Alright, 32.439 written correct to one decimal piece is. Now check. It means that one number must come after decimal point. We'll check that number here. It's 5 and over. We'll add 1. If it's less than 5, we drop it off. So that will be 30. Drop off all of them minus here. So that's 32.4. 38 is 32.4. Let's move on. Seems like a lot of decimals coming on. Alright, 39. 19.86 written correct. 2 decimal places is. So we're supposed to have it to 2 decimal places. It means that 2 number is going to come after the decimal point. So we check the third. So that's 8. That is higher. So we add 1 to this. So we get 7 here. So it's 8, 7. This is C. Map reading. We say on a map, 10 centimeter represent 10 kilometer. What is the distance of 4 centimeter? Okay, good question. Alright, so we can break it down and say 10 centimeter represent. So what does 1 centimeter represent? 20 kilometer divided. So 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. So 1 centimeter represents 2 kilometers. So that means that 4 that represents 4 times 2 is 8 kilometers. That would be just C. A woman needs to draw a scale plan of a wall. The actual length of the wall is 5 meters. Alright, the scale on the plan is 1 to 50. What will be the length of what what will be the length of the wall beyond the plan? Right? So you want to draw 5, but 1 meter, and it is actually equal to 50. Right? So it would be 5 times as 1 represent. So that will give us 2. Very nice question, these guys. Very nice question. A cook uses 250-gram flour to make 10 small patties. Oh, I would love a tasty patty right now. Come on. Who wanna bring me a tasty patty? Well, hot, crunchy. Martina cubes. Alright, so a cook uses 250 grams of flour to make 10 patties. How much flour does it need to make 25 patties? Alright, so let us look at it in perspective. Alright, so 250 give you 1, but you need to find out. You need to find out what 1 patty really makes, right? How much gram it takes to make 1 patty. That are the most important, right? You know, so the answer can only be this, you know. But all of them are smaller, that's all. Why don't do that? They can only be 625 because you have make more patty. So watch it. If you make 10 more patty, it'll cost 250. You know, I'll go be 500 gram, and then 5 patty. So we can do now. We can show you how to work it out yourself. Even though this was a giveaway, I'm going to show you how you have to work it out. You need to know what the 1 patty. How much gram it takes to make 1, right? So we can say, yeah, take 25 grams to make 1 patty. Another 1 patty. And then now we say 25 times 25. Just in case they never set up the answer as a giveaway. Alright. 6. Because it must take more gram to make 25 than 10. So that's 2.5 times. So we could just multiply by 2.5. Also, we could times 250 by 2.5. Guys, just reason the question, don't just answer the question. So you see me? Alright? Big up everybody. Guys, when you not like the video, man. Even if I play back, like the video, what not do it, man? Alright, 10 dog owners were asked to each of their dogs. So 9, 9, 4, 5, 10, 8, 4, 5, 9, 7. What is the mean average of the dogs? Oh Lord, that is so stressful. Alright, so we know, so we're going to just add up all of them number here to get the mean or the average. Alright, so 9 and 9, 18. Let's try freestyle. 9 and 9, 18 plus 4, 22, 27, 37, 45, 50, 54, 54, 54 and 16. Now freestyle it now, guys. I'm gonna do it the right way. Alright, that's our 70. Bam, bam. I want to say 70 divided by 10. So that gives us 7 years. Alright. So let's move on to 44. You guys check it out there now. So I mean, just freestyle because I'm lazy. A cricketer plays 5 one-day matches. Here are his score. What was the mean average of his score? So I will do add up all of them here and divide it by 5. So that's 45, 85. No, I'm not going to take it from that in here. 80 and that 110, 150, 180, 195. Take it from the next one. 30 and that 45, 85, 85, 165, 195. Alright, it's correct. Alright, so it goes 5 into that goes 3 times, 5 G's 15, that left 4, carry down the 5, 5 into much long division now for you guys. So it is 39. A shopkeeper weighs 8 bags of sweet yearly weight. What is the range of the weights? Now the range is the largest value minus 2. It's really the distance between the largest value and the lowest value. Alright, so what we have to just look for the largest value so far. This 194, no, 195. This is the largest value that I'm seeing. We have 188, we have low, going once, going twice. So we just find the difference, right? A 195 and 188, and that should be us. Look carefully, guys, I can miss something, right? Yeah, it's correct. So the range is the largest value subtract the lowest, right? So it's really data. So it's the distance between the largest value and the smallest. So 8 from 5 you can, so you borrow 1. So that leaves us with 7. So that is 7 grams for the range. Alright, the circumference of a circle is found by using the formula C equal to pi r. What is the circumference? What is the circumference when pi is 3.14 and r is 4? Alright, so they don't want us to use 22/7, they want us to use 3.14. Right? So they gave us the formula, so it's 2 pi r a1 3.14 times 4. Right? It would be 8 times 3, right? It's 8, 2 4 is 8. Guys, you're not gonna work it out. Have to be 25. It already passed them here, you know, so that is it. No waste time in an exam, right? Alright. What is the value of a if 7 plus 2a is equal to 21? What it is saying that whatever a is, when you multiply it by 2, add 7, you must take 21. Alright? So think about it practically. 7 plus 2 times a number, and then that answer should give you 21, right? So we can just say, show them fancy work if you want. So it's 21 minus 7. That would give it 2a. 21 minus 7, that is 14. I'll divide by 2 to both sides. I'll get 7. So a is 7, and it makes sense. 2 7s 14, 7 plus 14, 21. Charlene, I know you like that question, girl. Alright, so it says 5y minus 4 is equal to 6. What is the value of y? Tall boss, your question this. So 5y, Chrissy, look yourself. Right, so we subtract 4, add 4 from this side, which is the opposite. So 5y equal to 10, and then we divide both sides by 5. So y is equal to 2. Alright, so we're almost at the end. Good job so far, guys. It says find the size of angle x. I'm going to small it up a bit. And it's not drawn to scale. Alright, now this is angular now. Sharp boss, tall boss. Oh, you guys are going to have a field day when you see this and say, sir, this I'm giving. Even though you guys are doing a higher level. Alright, so this angle is on a straight line. So this plus this should give us 180. So it would be 180 subtract 120. So that would be 60. This is just awesome. Go guys, let's go, let's go. I love this paper though. It's very interesting. I'm gonna give this to one. City and Guilds. Game City and Guilds, my pep student. Alright. I want this one to be my thumbnail. I like this one. I like this one. Alright, so that's 49. Oh, nice. Alright. Which statement is true? Read this carefully now, guys. This can be tricky. Alright, an isosceles triangle is always an equilateral. That is right. So make it does. An equilateral is a special isosceles triangle. Now read that out here. No, that's a lie. An equilateral is never an isosceles triangle. That's a lie. No. That's a lie. Suppose you have an isosceles. And these are 60. Yes, and these are 60. These are 62. Or you just have an equilateral triangle. Jaja. Read them are good, guys. An isosceles triangle is always an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a special isosceles triangle. An equilateral triangle. An isosceles triangle has you say this is not true. That's the equilateral. Equilateral triangle is an isosceles triangle. Alright, so let us see. I'll go with C. Jaja. Alright, which two shapes are congruent? I'm going with A and D. A and D. A and D. So that is congruent. You can prove congruent without them being stirring the same way. Doesn't matter the orientation, right? The length of this and the length of this equal. The length here equal to the length. Them congruent, right? Why this can be congruency? This will be the wrong way. They're similar, that will be different, but congruent means them are the same. So that side here equal to this side here, and this and equal to this, and so on. So that's A and B. Alright, and that's the it's congruent. Alright, like that one. Calculate the perimeter of this room. Students struggle with this, you know. Jaja, especially the girls, them struggle at times, but to fix that now, guys, let's look at it carefully, put in the missing pieces, and then we add up all of it. Alright, so perimeter means the total distance around. So we have one space that is missing. Alright, so we need to find what is the length of this. Now we know that all of this are 11. Right? All of this are 11. Two places is not matter. So right here would be 11 minus 4, because up here so 4 already. So right there, so 4. So it will take 7 more. So I'm not showing them guys on students then. Alright, so this is 7 meters. But we know we need to find answer. So this can be tricky, you know, guys. But look, here's our 2, here's our 3. So this is 1 meter, and that was the trick. Alright, so let's go now. So 11 and 11 at 20. No, I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna add them. We're gonna start from here. So 1, 2, 6. So 11 plus 3 plus, so it's 11 plus 3 plus 4. 1 bracket, right? So with the years now, so we go, so boom, 1 plus 7 plus 2. Total them there. So check how many numbers. So I will show my student 7 and 1 number. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. So 7 and 1, 8 and 2, 10. 10, 11 and that, 13, 17. No man, so 9, 11 and 3, 14. And that 8. Alright, 18 with 8, 8 at 10 plus that, 28. Right. This can be a bit tricky, guys. The one there. You see, if I put 27, that's tricky now. Alright. So we are 52. We're almost at the end, guys. Let's go. Thank you guys so much for staying into the end. Calculate the area of the figure. I put a small it up so everybody can see. Alright, guys. This is what I teach my students. I don't know if you guys want to do it like that. What I teach them to do is very, very simple. Alright, so what I do is complete the entire shape. I went to grade 7, show them this. They were very impressed. And it's just very, you are awesome. And I say, I know. Alright. Let me see something. You know the length. Oh yeah, you know the length to be 9, right? So the big, look at the big one. So it's 9 by 8. So we know that the big shape, the shape, see there, 9 by 8. So we know, say, that the work out 72 centimeters square. However, this portion, we don't need this portion right here. But this doesn't exist in terms of the shape. So I have to find the area for this, which is use of 5, use of 2, so it's 5 times 2, 5 times 2, which is equal to 10. So we just subtract that part there, and we get 62. Here we have it. Our answer is B for Bennett. So guys, that is very easy. Another option you could have used is to cut it up and multiply it, right? So we could say, I could do it already. Just repeat them now. We could cut it, so right? The length of this would have been 6, and the length of this is 9. So 6 times 9 equals 54. And then now we still need to find so this now would be 4, right? That's our 4. And then and this are 2. So you have right here, so a 4 by 2. And then you add 8, right? And that's the work out 8. So this now will give us 2 by 1, still 62. So it doesn't matter. I just do this for persons who might say, I don't want to do it like that. Complication is not always the best, right? The cuboid is 10 centimeter long, 4 centimeter wide, and 5 centimeter high. Calculate its volume. Now, volume is length times width. So that's what we know. I love to do math. So that's 10. They say the width was 4. So here says 4. And the height is 5. So we're going to multiply these 3. 5 for 20 times 10. Let's move on to the group data. This data shows the marks that a group of students achieving a test. A teacher makes a frequency table using the intervals of 5 marks. What is the frequency of the interval 551 to 55? Alright guys, so what they do is to say 51 to 55 and so forth. And then you just start from probably 56 to add 5 to that 61 and so on, right? Yeah. So the interval, so we are searching for the numbers between 51, not between, not include 51 to 55. Alright, so let's see how much we can find. So that will be so stressful. So this is one. We don't include 50, right? 3, 4, 5, 56 now. Stop at 55. Count with me now guys, but just in case we miss one. You guys leave it in my comment section, alright? Alright, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. Just in case I miss anyone, you guys check that out. I for adding something. So it's 51, 52, 54, 55. Alright, ice cream sales last week. Alright, this bar chart shows the number of ice cream sold by a shop last week. Alright, so it's cool. How many, let's go straight. How many ice creams were sold on Sunday than on Thursday? So what we have to do is the difference. So I could check out how much cents Sunday. Alright, so we are 140 and we go to 160. So it means that one bar, let me see how many bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. So one bar is 5. So that's 145, 150, 155, 160. Alright. So you guys have to do it, the total between the two bars are 20. How many bars then I make? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4. So one bar represents 5. Alright, so that is 140, 145, 1. So this on Sunday, I want so you guys have to know, let me go check here. Alright. So then on Thursday, let's do Thursday. Alright, let's check it here. So this go exactly 80. So it's exactly 80 is being sold. So that's 150. Subtract 80. From our reason. Alright, so that's 70. So answer. Alright, it's very simple. Let's move on to 7. This line graph is incomplete. Alright, so then it takes time to run. So it's a distance versus what? Distance versus time. These are the speed, Alright, let me see. A label on the x-axis, scale of the y-axis. A title to describe the graph, units on the y. Oh, so this. I didn't label this, so. So the label, put the time, right? Let's move on, let's move on. Done it on? Okay, alright. Money, 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 money. Everybody want money, 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 money. Alright, the picture graph shows the total value of sales at different times. A shop yesterday. 9 to 11, blah, 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 blah. 1 represents 10 Right, so let's see what they ask us, and then we can proceed. What is the difference in the value of seeds between 9 to 11 and 1 to 3? So I could just make them there. 1 to 3 would be this figure here. So 1 represents 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And this one now, 91 is all the numbers of dollar sign. And it's a pictograph, so it represents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's $8 minus 70 is $10. So that one represents $10. That's very important. 159. A company has 200 employees. 50 employees work from home. The manager wants the pie chart to show this information. What the angle on the pie chart for the employee who work from home? So, pie chart measures 360. This is so ugly, Mr. Ben. Jesus. Okay, we need another dry, right? So it's just showing it straight. 50 out of 200. It's a circle, so it's 360 degrees, right? Remember, pie chart measures 360 as a circle. Palm, 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 palm. This one. It's 18 times that is 90. And it makes sense that 90 degrees is a quarter. So there might be 25 there. That's quarter. Just in case somebody might percentage in the update. Alright, so a driver needs to drive from Treasure Beach to Waterways Bay Beach and then drive back again. Checks the routes online. He wants to use the quickest route but does not want to pay any toll. How can I stress this? A driver needs to drive from Treasure Beach to Waterways. Treasure Beach then. Jesus. Oh. Alright. So alright, just in there. So what Waterways? Oh, alright. So yes, so we are going to see. But you can't go the tour. Oh, it's a no tour, right? Or tours. So you can't go, yes. What the hell is this? So why not? You can't buy this one. These are 3 hours, 20. 3 hours, 3 hours, 20 minutes down to state distance. I don't know. What is the distance covered by using the quickest route for the journey without any tools? Do you understand this? So I would assume so in this period, the measurement, if I take the route here, 192. So may I understand? 192. You understand the question? Okay, so which of the distance covered using the quickest route for the journey without any tools? But they didn't give us any measurement different from. Are they saying from here? So, oh, think that this was the entire journey, you know, but apparently we reached to Yasso. And then now after we reach the Yasso, but we still not reach at the beach yet. So we don't understand. We reach the Yasso. Never given a distance. Anyway, let me see if from the idea that the 190 plus 151. And that makes no sense because at the end of the day, they didn't give us the measurement for each root. They just said this, measure this from where? Yeah, I understand. And get 380. At least I can't use this now because I said 12. Anyway, guys, if you guys can figure it out, leave that in the comment section. I don't understand the question, what it is asking. You say you're here, I want to go to here. Now, this now is at the straight line at the shortest distance. However, we gave you as a right, so a 151. Alright, so a 192. We're not done. The journey not done, you know. So we get to here, we reach. So the runaway be. It didn't give us a distance from runaway be to here. Or a distance from here to here. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go with, let me see. Is either, let's see how much we get. So I got 343, so it's between these two. Alright. But it doesn't make any sense because no distance was given from here. So when we reach here, we don't know how we're gonna get from here to here. So just are we to assume. So I'm gonna choose a smaller number as 384. So that would be C. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Mr. Benny. I'm out. Look out for more videos. Like up the video so we can do more, guys. I'm waiting on you. I'm out, no doubt.